another explore for you guys. This is a nice little looking, maybe 2-3 story property. I actually am not 100% sure, but I'll go up the stairs and have a little look-see and see what I come up with in here. Looks like a pretty nice house. It's got some furniture left as well, which is pretty awesome. Looks like a big place too. Don't know why people leave houses like this sitting around, but it happens. So that's what you get, I suppose. There's another building, big house getting built next to it as well. Looks like it was an old house at the back and they've extended it and put the new ugly looking front on it. But it actually looks like it hasn't been finished. So we'll go have a look. Alright, so let's go have a look over here. Very low roof here, like I'm standing up straight and I am literally rubbing on this roof, so you wouldn't want to have a high car. It'd be pretty interesting if you did.
So the thing about Jazz Fusion is, yeah, but it's at your house now, mate. It's pretty good. I just know people
Yeah, so we'll head around, have a little look-see. Just let it go. First sit up. Oh, Australian horse. Oh, you got to go through the baby gate. There you go. Open the baby gate up. Here we go. Oh, so it actually comes over through there as well. This is a big place. Backs onto the main road as well, so you've got two main roads to it. Look at the old light, that's pretty sick. Lift that to open it. No. So yeah. Alright guys, I'll get back to you in a minute and I'll see your way in. Right. And we're in. Thank you very much for the entrance tire. Oh, it smells like it hasn't been lived in. It's actually a really nice house. Look at that. Has it still got power? Where are the lights? There's like no lights in here. There's literally no lights in this room.
Not wrong. We could just spot it there. There is a power point, must be for outside. There's no light on the roof.
We've got lights in here? No, there's like no lights. What a weird design. No light switch and there's no lights still. There's no lights in here. Oh, okay, there's one right there. Alrighty. Oh, look at the dining setting. Why is that still sitting here? Yeah, so the power's out. That's interesting. Nice kitchen. It's quite big. So they've turned the power out. Alright, let's go see if I can actually turn the power on. There's no alarm systems or anything, so let's have a look, see what we can do here. That's on, it says good. That's all flipped on, it's all on. On. Yeah, I wonder why there's no freaking lights. Everything's turned on. Well, that's interesting. But we have no power. Okay then. Don't really know what the go is there. Alright, we'll just have a little walk around and see what we can find. It's even got door handles that open the cupboards. So most of the stuff is gone. There's a pair of high heels in there. Airbags and heels, needs another pair. She knows where to come. Oh, what is this? Where does that go? There's a couple of little bits and pieces in there, nothing special. I thought it might have been an underground area, but it wasn't. Righto, let's have a random toilet in the middle of the house. This is a very weird feature. And I literally fit only just in walking sideways. That is it. That is how far that door opens. And there's a random fake flower in a vase still sitting in the house. Tacky as anything. Very, very tacky. Still a remote for the aircon, but it won't work because there's no power. So weird. So the mains is on, but there's no power. So we're back in the kitchen again. Has its own like little step down spot. Where you've got the outside view of the road and the street. You've got your patio. I'm guessing this was probably worth a fair bit of money, this house too, just because of the area we're in. I'm very, very surprised that there's not a doorway downstairs. I really did think there was going to be a downstairs doorway. Still a few little bits and pieces in the drawers. Chopsticks and stuff. Pretty nice range hood. It's all like touchscreen and stuff. Oh, look, it's still got the rice cooker in here. What the hell is that? Scales. A couple of bits and pieces in here. So it's a bit outdated, obviously. You can tell it needs a good clean and the doors are all falling off, but still some stuff in here which is a bit weird. Maybe they've just left the stuff that I don't want, what they didn't want. There's what's this? They look like dog treats. Yeah, from Bayswater. Manufactured by BM Animals. Pet food only. There's no use by date on them. I really thought they would have had a use by date on them. They look old as anything. I certainly wouldn't eat them. So I wonder how many animals they had. Alright, so supposedly there's an upstairs area. So let's go upstairs and have a look. Look at this staircase. That's cool as. Look at that. I love the way it runs up and around. So we've got, what's this? A one bedroom. So there was a toilet downstairs but no bathroom. That's a big bedroom. That's massive. I think this bedroom's almost probably 5 meters long. That's pretty cool. You'd fit a king size bed in here with ease. There's a big padlock on the door too. There's obviously the parents' bedroom. They didn't want the kids in here. Still a few bits and pieces in the cupboard. There's a bloody light in here, really? There's a switch in there. Still a few bits and pieces in the drawers. So obviously when they moved, they've literally taken everything they wanted. Left some rubbish, like they're empty. Oh no, they're not. What the hell's in there? Oh, so it's just more bags, probably suits. When you buy your new suit. There's nothing up there that I can see. No, I don't even. And you've got this cupboard. Yeah, there's a bit more stuff. It's looking more and more like this might have been a Asian family that lived here by all the stuff I've found so far. Just because it's all in Asian writing. And then what have we got in here? Are these actually just little cupboards? Oh, and there's a suit thing hanging in there. Yeah, same in there. Oh, there's a few bits and pieces in here. Comfortable and discreet. And we have another bedroom. Man, this house has some air conditioning in it. It'll definitely be nice and cool in summer. Was there an aircon in the main bedroom that we just came in with? I don't remember seeing one. Oh no, there it is. Wow. So that's 4 aircons I've seen in this house so far. There's so many doors everywhere. What the hell? Right. So we found another toilet that is really small and random. And it smells like someone sat in there and smoked cigarettes and hid it from the family. Oh yeah, somebody definitely smoked in here. You can smell it. I don't know if you guys can see it, but somebody was smoking in that room. Yuck. So what's this then? Please don't tell me that's a cupboard. That can't be a cupboard. Really? At the end of a hallway like that? Okay. And another bedroom. So we've got another bedroom with an air conditioner in it as well. And just a random odd chair in a cupboard, because we all have that. There's definitely a lot of clothing bags still left in this house. Alright, let's see what else we've got. So how many bedrooms have we found so far? That's 1, 2, 3. Yeah, so we've done 3 bedrooms. What's in here? I was going to say that was another toilet. Now I'm just really creeped out. And what's in here? Okay then. So there's a random room with just a shower in it. Could you imagine having a shower in that? That'd be horrible. Wouldn't you knock all the walls out here and just turn it into a bathroom? Like, where do you get changed? Stand right there. It's like a shower at a camping joint. And there's no lock on the door. Okay. There's a lock on the master bedroom, but there's no lock on the door. And this door's shut. Why is it shut? Ah? Are you serious? This is another bloody bathroom. What the hell? What? That's just weird, man. So you've got a bathroom with a bath in it, and it looks like you can actually put that head, take it off here, and you can go up here and hang it up there and have your shower, maybe, sort of. Well, that'll squirt quite weirdly. Let's actually see how bad that squirts. It went straight on the floor. Whoopsies! Don't slip. So yeah, so we've got a bathroom with a shower head that points straight out onto the floor. So it's not going to work too well. Then you've got a shower in a separate little room and a toilet in a separate little room. What a weird place. Alright, I think we're done on this joint. I think that's the last room, to be honest. We'll just have a quick look at it to see if we've missed anything. No, we walk down that hallway and then you've got the staircase again. So yeah, we'll walk down the staircase for the end of it. And yeah, we'll see you at the next place. Alright, thanks for watching guys. Bye bye.